Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you on this video the bay window bumper overrider installation and changes I had to make to fit it. Those come from Bus OK based in Netherland, so they ship pretty fast and good quality overall. But there's an issue there with the rubber strip that they provide as well as the bumper. There's this middle screw in the bumper that will basically doesn't fit through the bumper. As you can see, the metal bracket is solidly fixed on the bottom with a bolt, but that screw right here in the middle will not go through. I'll try to show you here. That metal plate is basically blocking it, so I don't know what happened there, or if they didn't go through everything, but I'm going to show you really quickly how to do it and fit it to the bay window. So you get rid of the middle bolt, separate it, make sure you actually take a mark or just see where you're going to drill the hole. It's right here, as you can see, the little mark there. Take your favorite drill bit and then get at it. It's fairly easy. Make sure you mark it well, because on the first one was a little sideways, didn't go through the first time, but anyway. So there it is, brand new hole in the middle bracket. As you can see, it's almost perfectly aligned. Classic. There it is. So now the rubber strip will fit in snugly and correctly, which is fine, but the bumper and the rubber strip will also fit. Look at this middle screw, don't actually tie it up. I need to tie it up at the beginning, and there's a little deformation that happens if you tie it a little too much. You can see here, basically the rubber is sinking in. So I decided not to put it in, and if you actually screw it too much on each corner, it will happen too. So don't tie it too much if you want a clean product. There it is, assembly correctly, tighten, looking good. So now the central bolt, there's another issue right here, is that metal bracket that fits in is now aligned, but the rubber strip has a metal inlay and the screw doesn't go through it. Even if you force it through, there's a problem with the diameter. So pretty easy fix, but something you still need to do is to drill through that rubber and metal plate. As you can see, it's not very clean, but it will work. And just testing it, yes, the screw will now fit through it and being snug. So this central bolt will basically hold on the bracket and create enough pressure on the bumper to hold on. Don't forget to spray a little bit of paint to protect from rust later on if you scratch the paint. So last strip is putting a little bit of a rubber grommet around the metal part, and those are, I didn't find them on the website, but they're fairly easy to find on Amazon, wherever. I'll put a link down there. Just to assemble it, just cut a larger piece than you need, apply some pressure. You don't need to put any glue or sticky tape or anything, since the pressure will basically keep that part snug and tight in there. So make it a little longer, make sure it's all inserted, and then just cut the last bit so you get a clean installation. No need to measure anything. There it is. So the two parts are ready for assembly on the bumper. Now we have all the pieces ready, so time to go on your bus. So those parts are obviously not symmetrical, like there's one for the left, one for the right. Make sure you actually look before you put it together, as if you put it on the wrong side, it's going to face outward. So make sure the rubber is actually straight up with the direction of the vehicle by choosing the right side. Then you can insert the metal bracket first. Try not to scratch your paint like I just did, by going slowly, and find the spot where you want to attach your bumper. The rest is fairly simple. You just place the assembly on top of it. Take that central bolt and basically tie it up to the metal bracket. So the metal bracket is gonna clinch or just grab on the bumper and apply pressure. And that should be it. Here's the final result. It's clean. It's fairly simple, but I have to say you just have to make a couple changes to make it work. So thanks for watching. Just send me any comments or anything, like or subscribe or do whatever you feel. But thanks a lot for watching. See you later.